Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azan Ares Auto. We are working on a 2016 Hyundai Sonata. All key loss for a 2016 Hyundai Sonata. As you can see on the dashboard, you can see the indicator showing that no key detected. So we go to Asia. Hyundai. This is the key. You can see the remote is not responding for the new key. Automatic detection with the number. Of course, I don't expect it to read the VIN since the car is not on. This is an all key loss situation. Help me come out the key from inside.
I showed you to
remove the key.
Okay.
So as you can see, the car is not responding, so you are going to program this key. It's not likely going to read the VIN, so we go through manual means, manual selection. This car is American spec. Sonata. Let's try EF. This 2005. Okay, 2016 to 2019. Smart key. Demo status scan. Okay. So we are going to turn on the hazard light. So the hazard light is on. Open and close the driver door. Here we go. This thing is wet. It's reading the password. Now you can see the password. I'll take a snapshot of the password. Take a screenshot. Save it.
Want to get off a little bit. Get off.
Yeah, thank you. So. Hold on. So open and close the driver door once again. Yeah, we have the pin code, the pin. I'll click OK to complete the following step within 5 seconds. Okay, programming succeeded. So, as you can see, so programming succeeded. So, set new point. System has powered on. So, what's the issue? Poor battery. Like I said that your battery not there enough. Your battery there low.
And because they wanted to